My name's Chef Michael Hunter, and today I've created a signature dish for Aya Kitchen's grilled albacore tuna and summer harvest vegetables. We have some albacore tuna from Vancouver. It's hook and line caught, so it's sustainably harvested. I have some black kale from my garden, along with Japanese eggplant, some butternut squash, these really interesting green tiger tomatoes, some green onions, parsley, and I've even made a little salsa verde from tomatoes, green tomatoes, and chilies. So the first thing we want to do is make sure our grill pan is on high. You can do this on a barbecue, but I'm going to do this on a cast iron griddle pan on the stove. So make sure your pan is preheating. And then what we want to do is season our tuna with salt and pepper. And you want to get all sides, so we'll just flip this over. Now that's ready to grill. Now the tuna is not going to take a long time because I mentioned we want to have it rare in the center. So we want to get everything ready and we're going to grill everything at the same time. So I'm going to slice our eggplant. I'm going to finely slice the green onion and herbs, take the rind off the butternut squash, and just thinly slice the green tomatoes. Okay, so our pan is smoking hot, as you can see. A little oil to the pan so nothing sticks. And we're gonna add our tuna. And while our tuna is cooking, I want to add our butternut squash because that takes the most amount of time. Just a little bit of salt on there. I want to press that on the griddle pan just to make sure it gets some nice char marks. A little salt on there. And we'll start adding the rest of our vegetables to the grill. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on the eggplant and the kale. And we're actually going to leave our green tomatoes raw. A little salt. Pepper. And then we're ready to add the eggplant to the grill. Check on our tuna. We're really just looking for char marks like that. You can arrange this however you like. Tuna's nice and rare on the inside. Salsa verde. A bit of Maldon salt. Garnish the rare tuna. And I just have some of the sliced green onions and the parsley. And here we have the Aya Kitchen's signature dish, grilled albacore tuna with summer harvest garden vegetables and salsa verde.